Manipur University reopens today. Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Vishwanath hints VC Pandey may not return again. Chief Minister Biren immerses Atal Bihari Vajpayee's ashes in Imphal River. CPI Manipur State Council observes 70th Foundation Day. Party leaders assert business-minded political leaders bring social chaos and unrest. And United Naga Council, UNC and Naga Hoho resolve not to attend any assembly session, hindering Indo-Naga peace process. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Manipur University reopens today with the temporary suspension of the 85-day-long university impasse. The agitation was withdrawn by the university community following realization of the memorandum signed by the community with the representatives of MHRD and the state government on August 16, and also keeping in mind the career life of students. Speaking to media persons, Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University, Professor W. Vishwanath, insinuated that Professor V.C. Pandey may not return to the university after completion of the inquiry. As part of the university community's withdrawal of agitation, President of MUSU M. Dayaman opened the offices in the administrative block of the university and enabled officials to resume duties. Administrative staffs were present in their offices and efficiently resumed their duties.
And the sufferings of the BA, BSc students and MSc students in our campus, and in addition to that, a great loss in the research activities in the last 2.5 years. So considering that, I think our agitators have decided to suspend the strike, because the Honorable Minister Prakash Japarekarji, he said that inquiry will be for 1 month, and after that, you see, he'll not come back. In that situation, I'm sure that he's not come back, and you advertise a new post of the full-fledged Vice Chancellor, and it may take only 3 months.
The CSOs, the student organizations, clubs, the Myra Pivies, we all, with the support of them, the university community still stands against the Vice Chancellor. We are still standing for the removal of the Vice Chancellor, but we are really concerned about the career of the students. That's why we have, temporarily, call off the, shutdown. Every section which is related to the examination, which is related to the certificate, giving of certificates, etc., all sorts of process which needs to be open and not related to the inquiry, all will be open.
Ashes of late Prime Minister of India and Bharat Ratna awardee Atal Bihari Vajpayee were today immersed into Imphal River by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khetremeyum Bhavananda, brought the mortal remains from New Delhi and was entrusted to BJP spokesperson T.H. Biswajit. Chief Minister Biren led party leaders and MLAs in paying floral tributes to the mortal remains of the former Prime Minister, brought carefully at BJP office in Nite Park, Chutek. Later, the ashes were brought at City Convention Center, where Governor Najma Heptullah and Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren led a prayer meeting and paid tributes to the late Prime Minister. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Biren revered Atal Bihari Vajpayee as an efficient parliamentarian and an impartial political leader. After performing the ceremonial rites, the holy ashes of the former Prime Minister was immersed in Imphal River at Sanjenthong.
साहित्य की लम्बा राजनीति की लम्बा भारत के अनुगंगासी होइबा अनुगो भारत मसम दुमान मंजर पोट अदुगी लम्यान बना अखोइन मागी मरम नंगांग बर मन चादे छैथार को सुलोय भारत कोइना मागो बटल जी को लीडर ममान मुस्ति हम चावनो मांगजे अखोइदा नसी PMGSY अखोगी लंबी के तौरमिबा हाईवेज लंबी के तौरमिबा इवन कंप्यूटर अखोगी मोबाइल स्टेनोस की ड्रीम गसमान मतलब हाल में की मान मसी यापन बदु मरिवारी के आले तो मसी के अनु बंगासी भारत प्राइम मिनिस्टर गिरंब अटल जी की अदुम यापन बपोरम ने हाय मसी अदुनबो मसी वे तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी लीडर पूरा मंगना धान की आस्ती की श्रद्धांजलि अरोई बकपन में तो opposition leader toina lai.
Speaking in the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah recalled her association and political inspiration she received from late Atal Bihari Vajpayee when she was a governor in Madhya Pradesh. She described the late Prime Minister as a sincere, honest and kind-hearted leader. Najma asserted Vajpayee worked for the welfare of the country without any partiality. She believed that the vision of the late Prime Minister will come to fruition in near future.
Throughout his life, he believed in his commitment. He remained utter, and in his passing away, he will become Amar forever in our work, in our commitment towards service to the nation, what he did throughout his life. If we really want to pay tribute to him, we should follow his path to serve the nation without any expectation and any date.
The only transformer in Motati Mino village, located 7 kilometers away from More town, is non-functional after it got damaged in September last year. Around 150 inhabitants of the village are facing various inconveniences due to lack of electricity, as MSPDCL has failed to repair the transformer till date. It may be recalled that Power Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurated a 132 by 33 kV power substation at Chikim village of More on June 4 this year to provide electricity in More town and its neighboring remote villages. Villagers, along with their chief, approached Minister Letpao Haukip with their concerns, following which Executive Director of MSPDCL Prio was notified for installing a new transformer considering the problems facing the villagers in October last year. The said notice was forwarded to Deputy Manager MSPDCL Tengnopal. The villagers complained that despite repeated pleas to repair the transformer, staff of MSPDCL did not take any action but even asked money for repairing the same. Villagers also expressed disappointment at MSPDCL for ignoring an order issued by Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren to install a new transformer in the village following a request made to the Chief Minister by some villagers, including village chairman W.S. Bonlun.
September tang tramanga di hauna khoi se mai phangda base transfer chakpadagi khoi se mai supang phangde adu jagi khoi government gi len like department khoi da su khoi na hai ja buju da khoi mokhoi na su jeng bi dre government da su minister da su khoi da complaint taw ja gre adu mokhoi na jeng bi balag tri adu bo handak se na khoi na government na khoi na mateng pai pangbi daga na khoi jeng bi o hai bi se khoi yam wa ja re khoi khun motha village hai bi se yam wa ja bani khoi na sarkar na khoi na yeng bi rabdi hai bi se khoi na appeal taw ja bani
ai nak ju leijarib si Indo Myanmar border da leiba khunsing gi marakta muri da gi kilometer 8 muk chatlaga leiba ti minau haina khangnaramba hojin nauna ti mortha haina maming tholaba khulamani haiba khulasida mamangi haukiba September gi tang 12 dagi transformer sakhibana hojik phawba mai si phangdan leire khunja singna department singda amusung Chief Minister da phawba unaduna haije kheba laikhrabni adubu ngasi phawba maidi phangdri du hariba khun sing asi mode da sabna maram oiraga mai se yamna darkar oibna khunja sing asi awaba kya ma mayok nare haiba sing asi Manipur lenga na karamba matam phawba suma khunja sing asi bu wahan gani ngasi gi ondi impact news ki damak laki lai lakpam more.
Communist Party of India Manipur State Council observed its 70th Foundation Day at Kashampat Lairembi Community Hall today. National Executive Member of CPI, Dr. Moirangthem Nara, has asserted that business-minded political leaders bring constant chaos in the state to achieve their personal gains. Nara maintained that many political leaders in the state as well as the center who pledged to serve the people continue to make a mockery out of the system by defecting from one political party to another. He alleged Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led central government continues to attack the constitution of the nation. He maintained that various issues arising in the state such as border pillar, framework agreement, Citizenship Amendment Bill, including Manipur University crisis, are conclusive evidences which imply that citizens are losing faith in the present government. Nara claimed it was D. Raja, a CPI MP from another state, who raised the issues of Manipur in the parliament when all the 4 MPs of the state did not. Also speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of CPI Manipur State Unit L. Sotin Kumar stated that the state is constantly in turmoil with the advent of the BJP-led state government. He said the CPI will put its best efforts to prevent BJP from governing the state in the future and appeals for public cooperation. Executive members of CPI Manipur State Unit and party supporters attended the event. Floral tributes were paid at the portrait of Hijam Irawat, who was the leader of the CPI, to mark the event.
Chingi maraktasu amagamaga thajanabasi lairibra tampaktasu se punamaki jati bheda naiba dharmada yumpham oiba magi wakhalona duna mangjin thanaba honarpasida ngasidi rangi su phagi tarai Socialist Republic of India haibado ngasigi Narendra Modi ki sarkar sina madudagi chaning dharma chachaba yabai du lokthokpa socialism manaba khunai haibu wahi du lokthokpa aduga constitution semdokani lai it attack on the constitution of India miyam asi punna himinaningba lol dharma jati khaidaba chaning dharma chachaba yaba madugi practice se chathana bonabada madugi wakhal da yaba dol sing Pulap punba maduna ay koy da live challenge se thengna minagadabani haibo khalon se Communist Party ki kungum doi suba adugumba Kerala da phamgiba handaki mi phamadun logo warepni.
Sit-ins condemning implementation of Article 371 Clause A and 6 Schedule of the Indian Constitution in the state were staged under the banner of UCM at Senjam Kunau and Takhel Kongbal in Imphal West today. Various placards denouncing disintegration of the state by Indo-Naga Framework Agreement were displayed during the protest. Alleging the Indian government of adopting divide and rule policy in the state, Secretary General of UCM, Kuraijam Athauba, stated that all civil society organizations and people of the state are prepared to counter any outside divisive forces that threaten the integrity of Manipur.
Ekone yengba yai 2001 gi June 19 da thokriba Manipur gi puari da hoji ki mirona thengnaba thodo wa thosing gi manu da kwai gi chawba maihola hop chawna thokiba leba ku mathaga ongiba iho khaira ga di June 19 gi iho sine habis di mai da su loina kambiram mani adubo matamadu da thokiba ko gi June 19 gi iho se masi matamadu gi lenga na Manipur gi government na thokiba nate koi miyam na hola ganda ekoi gi yum dagi ai ngamjaba mai be sinong yam hongna ra ka lambi de thola kanda ma kan graba amadi phatta lokshin kanba adu lo mayang leba India haiba leba si mai hokta India gi prime minister nampu dai ko dai jela ko tar ga ko gi miyam ni yaroi haidana thawai tra ni pan thadu kanda thingna ki ba dum miyam yo.
On the other hand, United Naga Council UNC and Naga Hoho have today resolved not to let any Naga representatives, political leaders or political parties to take part in any assembly session or any other such meeting, hindering the Indo-Naga peace process. The decision was taken at a joint meeting held today at TNK Community Hall of Senapati village in Senapati district, also known as Tahamzam, and which was declared as South Nagaland by Nagas. The declaration of the meeting signed by UNC President Gaidon Kamei and Naga Hoho President Chuba Ozukum also demands speedy finalization of Naga Framework Agreement and further condemns any form of compromise affecting the age-old rights of the Naga community. Trained Nurses Association of India Manipur branch extended solidarity to the one-day nationwide rally called by the Trained Nurses Association of India TNAI New Delhi. TNNI state branch took out a rally from Uripok till IMA House, Lamphel today. Around 300 students and staff from RIMS, Jennings, RDO, Shiza Hospital and Nightingale took part in the rally. Speaking to media person, Secretary TNAI Manipur State Branch PH Rani said, the rally was held to press their various demands, including not to hire contract nurses. A public meeting was also held after the rally at IMA House, Lamphel.
TNAI हाइबसे ट्रेन नर्सेस एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया मणिपुर स्टेट ब्रांच नी अदु नेशन वाइड रैली नी अखोइना सिदा चलिजिमाइना स्टेट खुदिंगी भारत पुंबगी चटकनी अखोई मरुओइबा डिमांड दी इक्वल वर्क इक्वल पे हाइबसे अदुगा पे एंड अलाउंस ओइरबसु अखोइगी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दा फंगिबा स्टेट सिंग दा फंगिबसे यूनिफॉर्म ओइहनबियु हाइबा डिमांड नी अदुगा मरुओइना डिमांड असिदा अखोगी वैकेंसी लेरिबा मयाम जिसु टाइम टू टाइम फजना वैकेंसी हापियु अदुगा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर नर्स लौबिगनु हाइबसिसु अखोगी डिमांड अमनी।
Manipur Science and Technology Council MASTEC Imphal in collaboration with Bhabha Atomic Research Center BARC Mumbai launched a 3-day-long awareness cum training program on BARC DAE technologies at MASTEC's hall in Takelpat today. Speaking at the sidelines, Director MASTEC TH Surendranath said benefits of 6 different technologies under DAE Technology Display and Dissemination Facility DT-DDF developed by BARC Mumbai will be introduced to the trainees attending the workshop. He also said trainees will be enlightened on tissue culture technique, soil organic carbon detection kit, foldable solar dryer, vibro thermal disinfector, domestic water purifier, fluoride detection technology, etc., which will help in enhancing various produce of the state for a better socio-economic condition of Manipur.
Technology taruk bak na mag spin off technologies have tare mo na puthok se ba technologies taruk khak ko introduce to ga bani ha riba introduce to dana hana da ki de leira bani introduce to ga masi ko gi training sing sida mo aware wen ba adu masi da ko na leira technology sing maru oina ko gi banana gi adagi putal leira pineapple bo ere adagi hana indigenous wen leira banana bo ere adagi mo na purak pa mapan da purak pa yamna high yielding variety gi banana makal adagi pineapple makal adagi strawberry hariba kano singsi pambi singsi masai da tissue culture technique season arakanda masi ko mayam da popularize arakanda masina socio economic development of the state masi purak pa yana namba adu magi pandam da sigumba ngasigi numi khumnigi program masi chata jabani.
Thambal Khong Apunba Nupi Loop staged a sit-in condemning the brutal murder of Pukri Hongba Memi from Utlo Kaitel, whose body was recovered from Iril River inside a sack. Large number of women representatives from different communities, including Meitei Pangal and other tribal communities, took part in the protest meet. Speaking to media persons, advisor of Thambal Khong Apunba Nupi Loop, L. Subhalata, strongly condemns the brutal murder and urged to the relevant authority for awarding capital punishment to the 2 accused for the murder.
Nupi masaji, nupam saji ka nuksinare, hare ko, Sela kanda magi nuksina ba nupadana po nuksibido loksandra kanda mihatina hatopi ba lawi bagi mahuta aduna mana haliba mihatin hatpiri besimakta nungaitedna akoina phamjabani mihatpa singse akoina hoji pamjari badi police na phagrabani na court wayel ani wailak pamatamda masibu amuna sugumba se Manipur da thoktanaba miyama mamuta puthokanda heng tawbado aduni akoina pamjari se.
Kanglei Ima Loop KIL in a press release also condemns the brutal murder of Pukri Hongba Memi and demanded befitted punishment for the culprits at the earliest. Salaya Punba Nupi Lamjing Loop Sanulal in a press release also condemned the brutal killing of P. Memi and has resolved to agitate against the incident for 1 month. Sanulal also resolved to donate monetary assistance to the family of P. Memi and to support any steps undertaken by the JSC formed against the incident. JSC against the custodial killings of G. Gypsy, T.H. Prem, R.K. Ranil, T.H. Satish and P.H. Naubi in collaboration with Committee on Human Rights Manipur, Poirei Limarol, AMWOVA and Amuko jointly organized sit-ins at Yumnam Huidrom Leshang Khong Kabui Khul, Hairangoi Thong Kaithel and Wangoi, demanding the government to take adequate actions against the accused army personnel involved in the cold-blooded murders. Speaking to media persons, advisor of Poirei Apunba Maira Paibi, Oinam Chana Lembi questioned why the state and the central government continue to enforce AFSPA in Manipur when countless murders and atrocities have been carried out under the shadow of the Draconian Act. Chana Lembi also demanded to deliver the mortal remains of G. Gypsy and T.H. Satish, who remained untraceable till date.
Wajab pun thado oga thaugai pukri bai sai su singse mang hradi pharaga siraga di sire moi phare moi akoina sumain tawre mari leina ba ahlaman sing leibaki imung manungi masa masu sing lauro law haiba yaudana moina lona namjalaga hato oga thamba sa yajaning de dia gomena mana tasanadana dum leiba Manipur sarkar na paihiba miron kaya nasu ngasi phawbada sigumba excel lauthokna ba honarappa matamda lauthoktadana leiribase masi aikoi khwaidagi hena laibak thibani makha taba khongjang kaya changchilaga apasi lauthohandaba yadi.
Imphal Municipal Employees Union IMEU in a press release demands IMC Mayor to release due allowances and arrears of IMC employees by September 6 and further warns of cease work strike from September 7 if the mayor fails to do so. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on assaults of 3 minor employees of a workshop in Waikong Bazaar. Keep watching Impact News. It's to Lamjao Police Station.
Mama pana salaga sinaru bane ba angang je sinaraga phatraga ju kauraga noi angang haje loktho haibo hai je hai haningi kari gumba khunja sina kambiram daga di bo angang haje siraga ta da leiramgani
na boy hatbun mine ana pure aduga kakjing kuno umathen mamangi lengang sing hai bising aduda pukatpani puraga makoi ji uda pulaga makoi ji jodna pubani angang singje normal life ta langnana ba moina hanalen ma punsi mariala duda mo hadin basida masigi mateng khitang chu tawhol ninge moibu hoji pawd masigi kariguma compensation gi layam bagi nongni khak pokhala matokre makha da kariguma am ta haigidra hojikse.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Kem Chan has inaugurated a market shed at Singjamai Market in Singjamai Chirom Lekai today. Singjamai Market, also popularly known as Panamana, has been in existence since a long time. The market was an important place of business transactions in the past. However, it slowly lost its influence due to lack of adequate attention from authorities concerned. Speaking on the occasion, the speaker lauded the courageous and sacrifices made by women folks of the state. And Kem Chan said the market shed was constructed keeping his pledge made on the oath-taking ceremony after he won the election. He hoped for the market shed to provide accommodation to at least some street vendors and ease their plights. He called for setting up a bazaar board for Singjamai Market to facilitate in keeping the market neat and clean. The speaker also inaugurated a shrine of Ima Lairembi on the occasion.
Sona Zambiana, Sijama Kaitensi, Mapandama, Manundama, Sanaba, Paisasu, Isona people the Wina Lelame, Manundala Kaitensi, Sangawi, Tauram with a Panto Sari, my events in Sinisina. So put Kayada, Manipur Kunai, Mamai children lie, Madingax and lie. Lambi the Pamiba, Pudimax that Kaitin, Pamam Pivading on the Varina. Kamai the Budagi, Hybrid Kanasi, Hybrid my Tamze. Luna, Kanana Suaro with the Momonda, Amagisu Wakana with the Momonda, Tapsi.
Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren and MLA Bishnupur El Radakishore facilitated members of Shilema Training and Cutting Center at Khoijuman in Bishnupur district to sustain their livelihoods by distributing sewing machines today. 31 sewing machines were distributed to trained as well as members undergoing 4 months training course at the center under the supervision of M. Doren. Secretary of the Training Center, Kangjrakpam Landhoni Lema, lauded the government for its initiatives in empowering women's section economically. She expressed hope that the government will continue to help the needy sections of the society even in the future. Shairangba Singhi Apunba Loop Shal, Manipur celebrated its 8th Foundation Day at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound today. I beg your pardon. Kurai Sanatoy Award conferred upon prominent writers every 2 years was also distributed on the occasion. The award was conferred upon Jidan Chandra Sanasam for his work Ai Ngashidi Ashengba Haidoklage 2013. Sanglakpam Achau for Chitathaki Kundo Pareng 2015 and R.K. Sanahanbi for Milay Charongum Ningtibi 2017. Renowned singers namely R.K. Jiten Aribam Shyam Sharma, Hamom Naba, G. Surchandra and Jiten Khaidem were conferred upon the titles of lyricists on the occasion. Speaking in the event, former Minister Bijoy Koijam opined that there is a general misconception of perceiving the armed militants as patriots. He asserted even singers, writers and lyricists play significant roles in instilling a sense of patriotism among the masses.
Kulai Pibasing Aduna, Karigumada, Tona Halkomatamda, Mokoibu, encourage Tona Layanaba, Saying Basinga, Jati Idamukta, Mazati Idamukta, Imaleva Idamukta, Pun Tobanai Weba, Wahum Kayama, Pongoktana, Adu Majawan Sing and Dumalan missing Aduna, Matwai Kubakta, Hapanalan, Tombe, behind the Bugatti.
Premiere show of a Manipuri feature film entitled Mirem, produced under the banner of 100 Movies production, was held at the residence of film's producer R.K. Koko in Tera Laurakpam, Lekai today. The film depicts the dark side of political leaders who play politics like business for their personal gains. Kaiku Dayananda and R.K. Ranju are in the lead roles of the film, directed by Amar Raj, and screenplay is written by Rajesh Hijam. The film will be premiered at MSFDS Auditorium on August 26. Bairodal Maxwell Hindi High School held an interaction program for its teaching and non-teaching staffs today. Speaking in the event, SP Kakching Y. Victoria stressed the need to aware youth on various crimes prevalent in the society. She maintained there are countless cases where individuals commit crimes unintentionally due to lack of awareness. She urged to guide the youth in the right path.
Or 18 years ki makhada angang unabasing sinupi singili yam dangerous oeba ko si khangadabani aduga yam niyom chumna aina hariba potsing su khanjalaga koi chatkadabane aduga aroiba daina haining badi mayam discussion tawningai leiramgani athaba mi ma oige hai taragadi ngasi khoi khuding mak tapiriba role as a student, as a mother, as a father, as a brother, as a sister, role
All Manipur Students Union MSU organized the first state-level open folk song competition 2018 at GM Hall, Imphal today. Speaking to media persons, President MSU Manjit Sarangthim stated that the folk song competition was organized with an objective to instill patriotism among the youths. Around 30 folk singers took part in the competition.
Mapandagi haijalakpa sanskritization gi westernization gi influencing ase nanga sidi aikoi gi mirol sing ase no gi tapna mami samla kanda mama macha mapa macha machin manaw masa khangna daba ton wa crime gi thodok kyam khak aikoi gi nupi ngang da chasaba ton wa thodok wa thok kyam khak na lamdam sit thalle aduga musu hingminari ba ton ba kanglup sing frup sing asigi marakta amaga self respect wanaba koi gi political gi oiba aikoi gi fraction myam khak thola kan nga sidi aikoi gi lamdam ase horukpham masak khangna nationalism ge ba dugumba ipa ipu sing na thambiramba paring adugi liklam da chatla kanda amuk ana koi revive tongmina ba sagat minana ba sugumba wakhalon magi makha da ngasigi folk song competition ase amsu na sinjabane haisabata.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur University reopens today. Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Vishwanath hints VC Pandey might not return again. Chief Minister Biren immerses Atal Bihari Vajpayee's ashes in Imphal River. CPI Manipur State Council observes 78th Foundation Day. Party leaders assert business-minded political leaders bring social chaos and unrest. And the United Naga Council, UNC and Naga Hoho resolved not to attend any assembly session hindering Indo-Naga peace process.